Do you have an old barn, shed, or even a garage? If so, you could be sat on an absolute money-making machine. 2017, this was literally an abandoned old chicken shed. Today, it earns around 30 grand a year. And obviously, it takes a bit of time, work and effort, but with a good quality plan and some decent design, it is achievable. So a friend of mine, she had an old log shed on the side of her garage. She converted it, turned it into a couple's holiday let. It is done really well. Currently, she charges around £165 a night with a minimum of a 3-night stay. So I'll let you do the maths on that. Now what this has meant is that she's been able to give up a part-time job. Her husband no longer has to work weekends, so as a family, they've got a lot more time together. So if any of this resonates with you, please do head over to my website, sign up to the newsletter, alternatively just get in touch direct. See you next week. Bye.